Every spring since 2013, we ship several hundreds of packages by mail. At Hardy Fruit Tree Nursery, your order is always prepared with the greatest care. We visually inspect the quality of every tree and check that no tree from the order has been forgotten. Every package includes a solid stake, which prevents the trees from breakage during transport. We also add damp sawdust around the roots to prevent them from drying out. Both the plastic and the rope that we use in the packages have been salvaged from farms, thus giving them a second life. We provide a protective spiral with every grafted tree. To finish, we wrap the package with a protective foam to make sure that the trees reach you safely. With all these measures, we can be sure that your trees reach you in good condition anywhere in Canada.